Yes, Swatika, what happened?
Good morning, 5th A and B.
Yes, Swatika, tell me.
Good morning, everyone, 5th A and B. Can you?
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning.
Good morning, ma'am.
Swatika, please mute yourself.
Just 5 minutes.
Ma'am.
Okay, mute yourself. I'll be marking the attendance. Okay.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning.
Morning, ma'am. Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning.
Happy birthday to you, sir. Who is saying that? Happy?
Sir, आपका birthday
Today
है?
is not.
Sir,
Today is
happy.
not my birthday. नहीं है बर्थडे आज मेरा. कौन बोल रहा है?
Sir, I don't know. 19, sir.
नो नहीं है.
Sir.
स्वातिका.
Reshma.
Who told you?
Sir, today is your birthday.
No, no.
Who is Manthani Ravi? Manu.
Sir,
Hmm?
Akshara.
Akshara. Okay, Akshara.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, Akshara. Sujita is present.
Sir, today is your birthday.
No.
Then Swatika. Ma'am,
Just humor, beta.
Tejas.
Ma'am, Dinesh 50.
Tejas.
Okay, now mute yourself, everybody.
Bhavna, please don't present.
Ji, Bhavna, stop presenting, beta. Don't click on that icon.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning.
Ma'am, Dinesh 50.
Who is Ram? Yes, I am marked. Who is Ram Durga? Rakshita.
Ma'am, Arushi.
Arushi. Ram Durga is Arushi.
Good morning, ma'am.
Okay.
No, ma'am.
Ram Durga. Who is Ram Durga? Good morning.
Ambika.
It's Ambika.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Veeraman is Arushi.
Stop presenting, Bhavna. Ji, Bhavna, stop presenting.
Aman Khan, are you there?
Yes, Aman is present. Okay. Sunishka.
Ma'am,
Sunishka
Arushi.
joined.
It means email
Sir,
invitation is.
which class is
Arushi, I have marked. Don't worry. I have marked. Nayak. Nayak.
सन्मुख साई तुम टाइम टेबल नहीं देखते हो क्या?
Shanmukh Sai is present. Shanmukh
प्लीज
Sai.
रिस्पॉन्ड बेटा. आप टाइम टेबल नहीं देखते हो?
Shanmukh Sai is present. Ishant DP.
मैम, हिमांशी मैम,
Yes, sir.
सन्मुख साई को
What happened?
टाइम टेबल शेयर कीजिएगा आज.
It's already, sir, shared in group. Shanmukh Sai, you don't know the timetable?
Ma'am, Arushi. Sir, अभी क्या class है sir?
Please daily
Okay,
ask
we
me
will.
क्या क्लास है.
We will share the timetable in the group. Okay, today we will give you the timetable. And please see the timetable when you join.
Present.
Arushi, I have marked.
Arushi present.
Marked. Okay. So,
सन्मुख साई, listen now. Today is your EVS class.
Sir, अभी क्या class है sir?
oh,
बेटा EVS क्लास है.
who is Jyoti Mudiraj? Jyoti Mudiraj. Please write your name. Pratima. Jyoti Mudirajan Pratima A. Please write your name.
Ma'am, I made one chimpanzee drawing.
Okay.
Ma'am, we should
Jendra
take
is also there.
notebook.
No need to take any notebook. I'll tell you.
Madam, not Jendra also.
Jendra has joined. Jendra. Okay.
Everybody, please write your name in the chat box.
Please write your name. Pratima A. Please write your name. Pratima, and earlier I told one more name. B. Shrenika joined.
Prahashita, DP Charan.
B. Shrenika.
Okay, don't write your name again and
Ma'am,
again, just once, okay? Jendra,
Jyoti Mudiraj. Who
Akshara,
is Jyoti Mudiraj? Is it Akshaya? Akshaya.
Ashwita, Kanishka,
Ashwita, Mark,
Yuva.
Sunishka, Mark, Yuva. Jyoti Mudiraj and Pratima. Can you hear me? Pratima.
There's a
Ma'am,
Zazel.
Jyoti Mudira.
Who is Jyoti Mudiraj?
Ma'am, I think Jyoti Mudiraj is Satvik from 5th.
Okay, Satvik. B. Satvik.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Okay, he's Satvik.
Okay, then who is
Satvik?
Pratima? Pratima. Brunda, I have marked yours, and Ambika has.
Ambika.
Pratima A. Who is Pratima?
Mahesh Babu is there? Mahesh Babu.
Ji,
Mahesh Babu.
present. Siddharth present.
Respond, beta, Mahesh Babu. I think he's not.
Jyoti Rani is Jyoti Rani. Tishri. Akshaya. Okay, I am taking the names and then we will start with the class. Okay, those who are left, they can write their names. Just listen your names 5th A and B. If anyone is left, please write your name in the chat box. I'll mark. Okay.
Okay.
Please don't say I am present. I am present. Just listen your name whether I have taken your name or not. Okay.
Mahesh Babu, please respond.
From 5th A, Akshara, Akshaya, Bhavna, Hashvita, K. Hashvita, Praharshita, Reshma, Sujita, Sona, B. Shrinika, Vishishta, Rushda, Ishant, Jayendra, Prajwal, Tejas, B. Satvik. These are from 5th A. If anyone is left, please write your name. And from 5th B, Brunda, Deepa, Jazel, Rakshita, Sanvi, Sunishka, Uddeshri, Arushi, Ambika, Aman, DP Charan, Dinesh, Manu, Nitish, Raghavendra, Shanmukh, Siddharth, Trinesh, Nayak, Yuva, Nivas, Tarun. If anyone is left, please write your name. If I have not taken your name, so you can write.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning.
Good morning, ma'am.
Janani is there, madam?
Janani is not there. Janani is not there. She is not present.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning.
Good morning, ma'am.
So I think I have marked all of you. I can see the names. Just who is Pratima? Can anyone tell me? Pratima. I think this is only left. Rest else I have marked.
Ruchika is also there, madam.
Ruchika joined right now. Geeta Singh. Yeah, okay. Ruchika. So now let's start with the class.
Please stop presenting.
Stop presenting. So tell me which class is today now. Everyone is asking which class is this?
EVS.
EVS. Yes, from tomorrow, kindly look at your timetable. Bhamna, stop presenting.
Okay, ma'am.
Stop presenting, Bhamna. From tomorrow, please just see the timetable and then you join the class. It's EVS class for today. So as you know, there is is presenting.
Ma'am, every day I'm joining.
As you all of you know, there is a change in the syllabus. Okay, who is Shobha?
Yes, ma'am.
Who is Shobha here? Is it Nikitej? Ishan.
Again, someone is presenting. Please stop presenting, beta. Hemlata ko Hemlata.
Shobha told me. Who is Shobha joined? Is it
Mahesh Babu.
Shobha is Mahesh Babu? Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So, Ishant, stop presenting.
Hemlata.
Ishant.
Okay, is Ishant. Ishant, please stop presenting, beta.
Ishant, stop presenting. So, fifth A and B, there is a change in our syllabus. We would be covering some chapters, but in some another way. Okay. You would have seen the PDFs in the group. Sir has shared. How many of you have seen that academic calendar? The group.
Ma'am.
Again,
Who is
someone
presenting? Bhavna, stop
Why are you
presenting.
doing
Why do you press that button in your phone? Present. Why do you click that option? You don't have to do anything with that option.
And do not touch the mobile. Don't touch the mobile unnecessarily.
So, fifth A and B, I will now show you one picture. Okay. Just take one rough notebook and one pencil. Okay. With you. I will show you
Who is
one.
Ramchandra here?
Somebody joined.
Yes, ma'am. Ramchandra.
Ramchandra. Who is Ramchandra?
मैम मेरा नाम मणितेजा
हर्षिता
क्या है?
मणितेजा मैम
मनीतेजा मनीतेजा
Maniteja. Maniteja.
okay marked okay so
Good.
fifth A and B I will show you one please take one rough notebook or EVS notebook and one pencil okay am I audible to you any paper okay just kindly mute yourself and listen I will show you
pencil
anything you take pencil no need to take pen
Please listen
pencil
to ma'am first.
pencil okay I will show you one picture you have to find the differences between the pictures okay what is the difference okay am I clear two pictures will be there two similar pictures are there but there is some difference between that picture okay you have to find out the I am presenting now please mute yourself sir please mute them if their speaker is on mute.
Stop talking, please.
Mute yourself.
everybody.
Can you see the screen here?
yes ma'am
Okay. So I am going to show you one picture. You have to just find out the differences between the two pictures. Okay.
okay ma'am
Can you see this picture?
yes ma'am yes ma'am
So you have to find six differences between these two pictures. You have to find out six differences. Okay. Yeah.
Dog smile.
Wait. What are you saying?
Your notebook, beta.
Please find out the differences. What you can see there. I'll.
Dog smile.
Write your answer in your notebook. Okay? And after this, you will match the answer.
Please find out the. See properly, and then tell me the differences.
Ma'am, dog smile. Dog smile. Ma'am, dog smile. Ma'am, dog smile.
Guys, please don't tell the answers. Please just write it somewhere or mark it
Write
somewhere.
your answers, beta.
Write your 50 and we write your
Write your
answers. Then
answers.
you will tell. I am just
The pictures are not visible.
See, just see this picture here. Okay. Well, this is the first picture. Can you see the picture now? Is it?
properly? Ma'am, dog.
This is the first picture,
Ma'am, dog.
and this is the second picture.
Ma'am, dog. Smiling. Ma'am, dog.
Don't tell the answers. Fifth A and B. Don't tell the answers.
Ma'am, answer लिखा ना.
Answer लिख लीजिए अभी. You have. Okay, 2 minutes more. Then we will discuss. 2 minutes more. Okay.
Sir is not full, ma'am. It is half only.
He will ask one by one. Is it over or you need more time? Fifth A and B. Do you need more time?
It is more time.
Okay. 2 minutes. 2 minutes more and find out the difference fast. 2 minutes.
Ma'am, I can't see the down. Ma'am, I can't see second one, ma'am.
See, I am zooming up the picture. This is the second picture, okay?
Second one, ma'am.
This is second picture and this is first one.
But ma'am. And I can't see second. Ma'am, I got ma'am.
Okay, please don't, we will discuss this, but please don't say now. Don't tell the answers.
Ma'am, we can't see the second picture.
See, now this is the second picture. This was first, now I am showing you the second picture. Second picture.
Ma'am, वो दोनों एक बार ही दिखाओ ना मैम. हम दोनों उनका एक
ये लो, दोनों ये लो, दोनों देखो, लो, दोनों दिख रहे हैं अब? दोनों दिख रहा है अब तुम्हें? हाँ, अब दोनों देखो.
Students, pay attention, please. Those who are not able to see this, please change your layout. Layout option is there, okay? And you have to change the layout like this. Means you can use spotlight or sidebar. Okay, change your layout into sidebar or spotlight.
what is layout?
Option is there. Change layout option is there, beta. Use that option. Those who are not able to see this one.
Wait 1 minute, I'll open with
Easy to
wait.
change.
Just wait 1 minute, I'll be opening once again.
मैम मेरा 5 हो गया मैम.
हाँ, मैं आज दिखा रही हूँ. 1 मिनट रुको. Just wait 1 second, I'll show you the picture.
31 ma'am. I also got everything.
So
Ma'am, I got everything, ma'am.
okay, now I'm zooming. Now you can see clearly. Now is it visible?
Yes.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Now you can see and then you can tell me.
Ma'am. First bit dog is laughing. Ma'am, dog is
Okay, shall we take up now? Time is over. Please stop writing and okay. So from first fifth A, Akshara, roll number 1, Akshara. Akshara.
Yes, ma'am.
Just tell me the one first difference. Out of 6, you have to tell me one difference.
Okay, ma'am. Second one has 2 claws. First one has 3 claws, ma'am.
Second one, which second one you are talking about?
Second one picture, ma'am.
Second one is having 2.
2 claws. First one has
B cloud. Very good. You can see here this cloud, this one, this cloud is missing. This cloud. Can you see this? Here.
Yes, ma'am.
This is not present here. So first difference is of clouds. Okay, good. Okay. Second, fifth B. Fifth B. Siddharth. Siddharth is present.
Me, please.
Siddharth. Fifth B. Siddharth, can you see the picture? Siddharth, am I audible to you? Can you listen to me? Fifth B, Siddharth.
Ma'am, can I answer?
Okay, fifth B, Yuva is here. Yuva.
Yes, ma'am.
Yuva, just tell the another difference. Second.
One animal has open mouth, one animal has closed mouth.
You are talking about this? You are talking about this?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So second is
Please
animal.
mute yourself.
Please mute yourself. Animal with smile. Okay. Please mute yourself. Third.
मैम अंबिका से आ रही
Okay. Fifth A. Fifth A. Jayendra. Jayendra is here. Fifth A. Jayendra. Chandra, can you listen? Sir, is he here?
Jayendra, yes, madam.
Chandra, please reply. Can you listen? So tell me the thought difference. Tell fast. We have to do lot more in this. So just
I have answer.
me too. Okay, wait. Jayendra, tell me the thought difference. Jayendra.
मेरे पास एक आंसर है मैम आंसर
I will say the answer.
Okay, madam. Call
Can I,
Shanmugh.
Shanmugh? Just tell me the difference. Shanmugh, I can't see your names if you are writing. Shanmugh,
आइस क्लोज है मैम
आइज कहाँ क्लोज है और कहाँ अच्छा ये वाला
लाल पापी को
ये छोटे वाला कह रहे हो आप ये वाला
हाँ मैम
ओके आइज ओके फोर्थ डिफरेंस प्लीज राइट योर नेम those who want to tell Fiona from 50 Fiona
She's presenting.
Yes, ma'am.
who is presenting is it visible now fifth AB
Yes, ma'am.
okay Fiona fifth A Fiona
Yes, ma'am.
just tell the fourth difference fourth
Others, please mute
There's a
yourself.
dog with mustard color. It has holes on its nose and the
sorry
picture it doesn't have.
sorry I didn't get you
There's a brown dog one. It says that there's a dog one.
dog
In its nose, it has two holes, but in the second picture, it doesn't have holes in it.
आप इसकी बात कर रहे हो डॉग की नीचे
मैम चैप्टर का नाम क्या है मैम can I answer?
Fiona just tell me again what are you tell me again what did you say
Ma'am, there's a brown dog. It is big. Besides that, there's a dog which has holes on its nose, but At the second picture, it doesn't have.
Okay, this are you saying about this? Let me mark here. This mark you are saying here. This one. This one. Fiona,
Which chapter?
don't ask about the chapter. Okay, now I am rounding off the next three differences. See, first is
B, Jayanti, please stop presenting. Madam,
Ma'am, I can't hear you.
am I audible?
Can't see your screen.
madam, resume. Himanshi ma'am, resume your presentation, please.
Ma'am,
Wait, I am resuming.
Himanshi ma'am, please
It's not
resume
not
your
able to.
presentation.
I am not able to resume. Wait. Is
Students, kindly do not click on the
please don't present. How many times we have to say you don't present? Don't present.
okay option. Humble request to not click on present now.
Don't click on present option. Don't click on present option. Kindly put this thing in your mind.
Yes, madam, your screen is visible now.
Is it visible? So
Yes, madam. Yes.
okay. So I am just telling the. I'll tell you rest three. This dog or which animal is this? I don't know. The change in position is there. Fourth one is change in position. Okay. Fifth one is this.
difference, ma'am.
Fifth one is this mark. This brown mark. Fifth one is of brown mark. Okay, last is left. One more is left. Who will tell me the last one? Last difference. See, last difference is the nose. Last difference is nose. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. These are the 6 differences. Okay. 6th one is of nose. So, why now for a while I am stopping my presentation. Then I will show you something else. Okay. Now just tell me why are we doing this activity? Why have I done this? What was the reason I showed you this picture and to tell the differences? 5th A and B. From 5th B. Trinesh, tell me why I am doing this.
Ma'am, for eyes should be even small.
Others, please
Okay.
stop talking.
5th A,
Others,
from 5th A. Can anyone tell why were we doing this?
Ma'am, I know, ma'am.
Okay, who will tell me from 5th A? 5th A. Yuva is raising hand. Yuva. Vishishta is writing answer for recognizing certain things. Very good. For recognizing. Okay, very nice, good answer. Navneet and Vibha.
Eyes to be sharp.
Okay, Yuva, tell me the answer. Why are we doing this activity?
Ma'am, it's
For eyes to be smarter.
Based on?
Based on our chapter, ma'am.
Based on your chapter. Okay, which chapter? Which chapter?
I don't know, ma'am, but it's on.
Vishishta gave very good answer for recognition of things for
Ma'am,
I have done.
ma'am, it's Sunishka.
Sorry,
Ma'am, it's not Vishishta, it's Sunishka.
Sunishka. I am saying Vishishta has written the answer in the chat box. So I am just saying that. Okay. She wrote for recognizing certain things. So this is a good answer. For recognition, for to tell you to see the similarities and to how to find out, how to analyze one picture and to find out what are similar things and what are difference. To check the pattern in both the pictures. Kindly mute yourself. 5, 4, 3, 2. Please mute yourself.
Kindly mute yourself, beta.
Now next activity is, you have some features in you that are similar to your parents. Okay. Whether your eyes will be similar to your father or mother or your hairs. Am I right or wrong? 5th A and B. Do you have qualities? Do you have features that match with your parents? Match up with your parents?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes or no? So
Yes,
now I am presenting. I will show you one table. You have stop saying yes. Stop saying yes, no. So now I will show you one picture. First one picture. Then I will show you one table. You have to make that table and you have to write it down. What are your features that match up with your parents? Okay.
मैम नोटबुक में लिखना
नोटबुक में लिखना है. नोटबुक में लिखना है. राइट इट ऑन अ पेपर और नोटबुक. टेक योर EVS notebook. Take up your EVS notebook.
revise it again, please.
Okay.
Ma'am.
Please, others, please mute yourself.
Okay. What can you say about this picture? Do they look alike?
Ma'am, please resume your presentation.
Ishant.
Not visible.
Okay, wait. I am
The screen
resuming.
is not visible, madam.
I am resuming.
Please
5th
resume it
A
again.
and B, please don't present in between. How many times you want one instruction?
Again,
Don't-
please represent.
Don't click the button present
Okay.
there. Don't play with your cell phones. Just stop playing with your cell phones.
Ma'am, we should write in
Okay. Yes, I will tell you what you have to write. Don't worry about the writing part. I'll give you.
Ma'am,
Next.
we should write in EVS notebook.
Tell me, what can you say about this picture? 5th A and B. Can you see this picture? Is it visible?
Yes, ma'am.
So,
ma'am, the teachers are saying.
what can you say about this picture? Are they alike? Do they look same?
Yes, ma'am.
Please mute yourself first of all.
Yes, ma'am.
Do both the pictures look same?
Yes, ma'am.
So what do we say such persons? What do we say such persons?
No, ma'am.
Twins. Yes. We call them twins. We say them twins. Very good. Now what you have to do is just see here.
Ma'am, this we should write.
What? Sorry?
Write in our EVS notebook.
I will tell you what you have to write. Don't worry about the writing part. Now, can you see this chapter?
Yes, ma'am.
Like father, like daughter. This is your EVS last chapter, last second chapter. Wait, okay. So I am just reading it for you, and what you have to do is just listen what you have to do. Ashima was sitting near the window and reading. It was windy and was a lot of dust in the air. Suddenly Ashima sneezed loudly. Achhi. Ashima parents were sorting out vegetables in the kitchen. Her mother said she sneezes just like you do. If you were not here, I would have thought it was your sneeze. Now Ashima's parents thought that she was sneezing like her father. Okay. So now what you have to do here, Ashima sneezed just like her father. Okay. Do you have any such habit or trait which is similar to that of someone in your family? What
No, ma'am.
what is it? Whom is it similar to? So just make this table. Can you see this?
I am similar to my father.
Yes, so write it down. See your special habit or trait here. This one box. And then who is it similar to? Make a box like this in your notebook and just in 2 minutes write your habits and
मैम क्वेश्चन भी लिखना.
just make this table, purple one. Can you see this purple table?
No ma'am.
This table.
Yes, ma'am.
So just make this table like this and
No ma'am.
make this table. Yes, EVS notebook. What are you studying over here? Am I teaching English? Why do you ask these silly questions? EVS notebook, English notebook. Take up your EVS notebook and make a table. This table. Make this table and just write your habit and trait and to whom it is similar. Write down fast. You have 2 minutes to do this. If you have doubts, you can ask. Anyone is having doubt? Sorry?
Ma'am, I already know the answers.
Who know the answers? Who is saying this? Sorry. Is it Vishishta?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So if you, rest of you, please write down. Vishishta know her answers. Rest of you, please make such table and in 2 minutes write your answers and then we will discuss. Make this table. Your special habit or trait. Whom is it similar to? To whom is it similar? Whether it is your eyes, your hair, your any habit of sneezing or the
Ma'am,
No.
I have a doubt.
yes, ask your doubts.
I already have a textbook. Can I write on that?
Textbook, yeah, you can write on, but you have to note it down in notebook also. So it's better if you directly do it in notebook. It's better you direct. Who is having doubt? Ask.
Arushi.
Arushi. हाँ बोलो.
Ma'am, we should write in last page.
Not a last page. Write today's date and make this table.
Yes, ma'am. We should write in the last page.
आपने ईवीएस आरुषि आपने ईवीएस नोटबुक में काम किया है पहले जो मैंने दिया था
Yes, ma'am.
किया है तो
मैम मेरे को टाइम
उसी
नहीं दिख रहा.
कौन सा टाइम टेबल अच्छा ये टेबल नहीं दिख रहा आपको
हाँ मैम.
अब दिख रहा है किसको नहीं दिख रहा है
नहीं मैम.
No, ma'am.
इज देयर एनीवन is 15B is there anyone who is not able to see the picture see the table क्या मुझे आवाज नहीं आ रही है कौन पूछ रहा है ये कौन प्रेजेंट कर रहा है भावना स्टॉप प्रेजेंटिंग
Ma'am, ये टेक्स्ट बुक presentation.
Bhavna is presented. Please don't present in between. 5th A and B don't present. मुझे समझ नहीं आ रहा
Stop
आप
presenting, बेटा.
5th A and B ये बात समझ नहीं आ रही मुझे क्या कह रहे हो पेंसिल से लिखो पेन से लिखो किसी से भी लिखो पर लिखो किसी से तो लिखो हर एक चीज पे इतने इतने क्वेश्चंस
Presentation.
ये टेबल है कैन यू सी
Ma'am, we can't. Ma'am, can I tell the answer?
wait after 1 minute we will discuss it
I also, ma'am.
write it anywhere write it in your EVS notebook with any pencil or pen कुछ भी ले लो, पेंसिल ले लो, पूरा लिखना है। इस टेबल को बनाओ और हाँ पूरा लिखना है, आधा नहीं लिखना है, पूरा लिखना है।
मैम
जो भी आपकी हैबिट आपकी फैमिली से मिलती है वो लिखनी है।
कर रहा है मैम।
कौन प्रेजेंट कर रहा है?
मैम तो टेस्ट बुक में है।
कौन प्रेजेंट कर रहा है? टेक्स्ट बुक है तो टेक्स्ट बुक में लिख लो। टेक्स्ट बुक है तो टेक्स्ट बुक में लिखो।
मैम मेरे पास टेक्स्ट बुक है मैम।
ओके लेट्स डिस्कस इट नाउ। यू इतने को ओके विशिष्टा, विशिष्टा कैन यू हियर मी? कैन you hear me? Okay, tell the answer. Which habit of yours is similar to whom?
Music sense is similar to my father.
Very good. Your music quality or sense you are saying is similar to your father. What else? What else is similar to
One
whom?
minute, madam.
And my face looks like my father when he was
Listen,
small.
students, don't message to each other. Kindly do not message to each other through chat box. Don't use chat box for asking hi Tejas. Who is asking hi Tejas? Who is Anuradha Srinathan?
Navneet and Pratibha. Oh, Vibha. Okay.
Navneet,
Please don't
maintain
chat
the
over
decorum of the
here.
class.
Please don't chat. Okay.
My music sense is like my father and my voice is just like my father's when he was small.
Very good, very good. So Vishishta is saying her music sense and his face. Her face is just like her father. Okay, very nice. Next, who wants to tell me what are similar habits of yours with your parents?
I'm
Who is? Just write your name. Write your name. Who will tell me? Next. I have stopped sharing now. My presentation is over. Just we have 2 minutes, and in 2 minutes we will discuss this, and then we will complete with our class. Next one, Vishishta has Arushi. Arushi, okay. Tell me which habit of yours is similar to whom?
Ma'am, my face is like my mother, ma'am.
Your face is like your mother. Do you have younger sister?
Yes,
My
ma'am.
face is my
So,
father.
does your face look like your younger sister? Both of you are
No, ma'am.
no?
Ma'am, no, ma'am. I'm first
Okay.
time I have another sister, ma'am.
Okay, so your face is just like your mother. What else?
Yes, ma'am.
What else?
Yes, ma'am. And nose, color, and all, ma'am.
Okay, so everything in her face is just like her mother. Good, very good. Next, Tejas. Yes, I am not. You are not audible. Tejas, sit somewhere. Sit properly. First of all, sit properly. And now answer. Don't stand. Now answer. Yes.
Ma'am, my parents don't have personality like me.
They don't have personality like you.
Like my eyes are not same like them, my teeth is not same like them, my face is also not same like them.
So you don't have anything that can resemble with your parents. You're saying this. So you have all the features unique. Nothing similar in your family. Nothing similar to anyone. Not even face, except your big brother.
Time is over.
Okay. So next, Aman is saying I look like my father. Very good. Bhamna, stop presenting. Okay. For now, okay. The class is over for now. Homework is find out your habits and traits. To whom is it similar to? And in next session, in next TVS class, we will take up from here. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Just complete this table. Complete this table, and in next session we will do after this. So for now you can bye. You can yeah.
Excuse me,
Yes, yes. Those who have any doubt, please ask. Next time I will take one by one individual. I'll ask individually. Okay.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes. Who is saying excuse me?
Ma'am, it's Sunishka, ma'am.
कौन बोल रहा है? I look
Ma'am,
I look like my father. Sunishka. Okay, Sunishka. Yes, बोलो.
Ma'am, my sister will be like me only, ma'am.
You'll okay. You look like your sister or your sister. There is resemblance between you and your sister.
She's voice will be my voice, ma'am.
Very good. So,
one question, ma'am.
who is having question?
Ma'am, we both born in one day. Harshita.
Praharshita. Yes, Praharshita.
Ma'am, now this lesson we are in like father like daughter lesson.
Yes, somewhat this you have you gone through the calendar which was sent by sir?
Yes.
So
ma'am,
in
but
that if you will see week 1, that is based on this chapter. Okay.
okay,
Bhavna, stop presenting. So this week 1 syllabus is just based on this chapter. Okay. Next, when we will go forward in another weeks, that will be linked up with your some other chapters. Okay. For now,
okay, ma'am.
we have started up our 4th chapter also, that is mangoes round the year. We will complete these 2 chapters in these weeks. Okay. Mangoes round the year and like father, like daughter. Bye.
Okay, ma'am.
So,
Thank you, ma'am.
Okay, if you have another doubt, please stay here. Otherwise, you can leave.
My sister is telling you bye, ma'am.
Bye, ma'am.
Hello. Please leave the class.
Bye, bye.
In next session, we will take up this and move forward. Okay.
Bye, ma'am.
Sorry, Tejas, you are not audible. What are you saying?
Ma'am, one second.
Bye, ma'am.
Bye, bye.
Bye, ma'am.
Please leave. Please remove yourself.
My sister is telling bye, ma'am.
Bye. Okay. Bye to everyone.
Okay, bye, ma'am.
Bye. Yes, you can leave the class. Yes, Tezel, you can leave.
Bye, ma'am.
Bye.
Ma'am, 1 second.
Raghavendra, you don't want to leave? Please leave the class.
1 second, ma'am.
Leave.
Ma'am, I want.
Yes.
Ma'am, I have one doubt.
Yes, ईशांत बोलो क्या डाउट है?
Hello, ma'am.
हाँ बोलो क्या डाउट है?
Ma'am, I am like father, ma'am.
You are like your father. Exactly like your father.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes. You are exactly like your.
I am like my father, ma'am.
Okay.
Ma'am,
Next, in
Father,
next
ma'am.
session, I will ask you again. Just complete. I have shown that table, na? Just complete it. Okay, complete that table. Yes. Yes.
Okay, fine.
Okay.
Ma'am,
Yes.
bye, ma'am.
Bye. Bye. Bye to everyone. Please.
Ma'am,
Yes.
she is my sister, ma'am.
She is looking like you only, na? That's why I was asking.
No, ma'am.
Yes, somewhat similar. I'm not saying exactly, but somewhat she's similar. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
So kindly leave the class now. Manu, Ram, Durga, please leave the class. Pratima, who is Pratima? Manu. Manu, please leave the class. Pratima. Who is Pratima A?